Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to fix a Hyundai Sonata. Okay, we're going to start the vehicle, and as you can see, the ESC, this is the traction light, it says off. And it's not working right, you cannot turn it off. What's causing the problem? It's pretty simple switch, it'll take you 5 minutes to fix it. It's this one, brake light switch. That's what's causing most of the time this light to come on your dashboard. So today we're going to show you how to fix it, how to replace it and clear the light. Stay with us and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this is the brake pedal, and right here it's the brake light switch. Okay, so we need to remove the first nut with a 14mm socket. You need to get it loose, okay, like that. And it's just a normal thread, you go counterclockwise to get it loose. Okay. And you need to take it off. And now you pull it out, and you need to unhook the wires. The wires you press down in the middle on the white thing, and you pull at the same time. They tend to be stuck pretty good. Okay, like that. And now we are ready to install the new one. You just push it in. Okay, you have to hear the click. Make sure the wire doesn't come loose. And now you install it there. And you need to install the nut. And you need to get the nut tight as well. So what you need to do, you need to hold the brake pedal with one hand so you have the room to access the nut there. Okay, that's the best view we can get, guys. It's pretty limited room, two of us with the heads down working here to show you how to fix that simple brake light switch. If you go to the dealer, they might charge you a ridiculous amount of money and tell you it's a module, it's a computer, and it doesn't hurt just to try with a brake light switch. It's pretty inexpensive. You can buy them on eBay, original brake light switches, and this is the whole procedure. And as you can see, there is no light at all. We're going to turn all the way to the left, to the right, and the ESC light doesn't come on at all. If you turn it off with the button, it should work, okay, right there. And that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.